In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Stripe in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a business owner, freelancer, or just someone who needs to streamline their billing process, sending invoices through Stripe is a seamless experience, and I'm here to guide you through each step. First, start by opening your web browser and navigating to stripe.com. This is your central hub for managing payments and invoices, so you'll want to bookmark it if you use it frequently. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the sign in button. If you're not already logged in, this will prompt you to access your account. Enter your registered email address and password into the provided fields. Remember to always keep your login details secure and consider using a password manager for added security. Click sign in after you've entered your credentials. Now you might need to complete an additional security step if you've set up two-factor authentication on your account. You'll be prompted to enter a code, which you should receive via your authentication app or text message. After you enter the code, you'll find yourself on the Stripe dashboard. From here, navigate to the home page if you aren't directed there automatically. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, locate the billing section. This is where you'll manage anything related to customer billing, including subscriptions and invoices. Beneath billing, you will find an option labeled Invoices. Click on Invoices and then select Create Invoice. This button will take you to a new page where you will begin entering the details for your invoice. You'll need to select the customer to whom you want to send the invoice. If needed, use the search bar to quickly find the customer in your database. Once you've done that, head down to the currency field. Here, select the currency in which you wish to bill your client. Next, move on to entering the line items. This is where you list out the products or services you're invoicing for. Be as detailed as possible to ensure clarity. After listing the items, make sure to set the correct price for each. When you're happy with the items and pricing, it's time to set the payment collection. This lets you dictate how you'd like to collect payment, either through manual or automatic methods. Review all the details carefully to ensure accuracy. Once everything looks good, click on Save. This ensures all your inputs are stored safely. Finally, when you feel confident in the invoice's details, hit the Send Invoice button. The invoice will be sent directly to the customer's email, and there you have it, your Stripe invoice is created and sent. I hope this guide was helpful. Thank you for watching. And remember, with Stripe, invoicing becomes a smooth part of your workflow, allowing you to focus on growing your business.